My name is Gregory Labbe. I'm the process engineering manager at TOMZ Corporation. A lot of things have changed. Our environments are changing. We have a lot of different customers that are coming to us with new projects. We're adapting on the fly. Engineering's putting a lot of work in on the floor. Definitely putting a lot of work in programming. The Wilhelmin are up and running. We're pumping out parts like crazy. We're bringing in more index machines, higher volume product. Things are moving pretty quickly around here. And obviously that comes working towards other departments and start working on infrastructure, cellular training, and really more equipment at this point. We have more laser marking machines coming in. We have more Sagamis coming in. We have inspection equipment that's coming in that we're doing R&D on right now that is going to be an absolute game changer in how we handle inspection of screws, and looking at existing equipment right now to really focus on getting the most out of the inspection equipment, especially CMMs right now, of what we can do to support the floor in the best way possible. So as a company, we all have the same ideals. Our all end objective is on-time delivery, quality, and we really strive for creating that process flows. And that's one thing that I really focus on in general on a day-to-day basis, is standardizing the way that we handle product, streamlining the process. So we're all working hand over hand with one another throughout the entire process, from the time that we get the purchase order to engineering, all the way through the time that it has to ship. We're constantly working with one another from start to finish. And as we grow, we see gaps. When we see those gaps, it's my job and my superiors, we look at those gaps and we look to fill them, to smooth out this as we transition from a small company mentality to a large company mentality as we continue to grow. And my own personal goal is to ensure that I stay ahead of TOMZ's growth. We grow extremely quickly, which my hands are tied, but I push myself because I want to make sure that I'm ahead of where the next step is, where TOMZ Corporation is going. I want to be there already. And when TOMZ Corporation finally catches up with me, I want to be on to the next thing. I want to be prepared for what this company has to offer and the direction that it's going, because it's growing very quickly. You know, at this rate, it's pretty much unheard of the way that we have and how we've handled ourselves along the way. And I applaud us for that.